In this video, I'm going to use the word prediction software through Read and Write to make my second paragraph. The word prediction window is up here where I've moved my cursor in the top left corner. So I'm going to start out with the word football. That's F2, so I'm going to click on that, and it completes the word for me. Football is a great, and I want sport, so I'm going to type that in, come up, click where it says F2. I'm doing that for each word. I'm going to put a period at the end of the sentence. All I did was put it there where the cursor was. It automatically moved it to the end of the sentence for me. Now I'll just make my second space. Now I'm going to start with my next sentence. Coming up here to click on the word I want. Next word I'm going to want is team. I see that down here on F8. For each word, I'm moving my cursor to the top corner. Sometimes it'll even just predict what the next word's going to be. And then here, the next word I'm going to want, it's already up here without me having to type anything. With my friend to right now, okay. Words I wasn't even typing, I was just clicking. Now for this word, there we are. Typed the first letter and the rest of the word are on F5. Oops. So I'm gonna and that is word prediction. Oh, also another interesting feature that I came across with the Read and Write word prediction. It also extends to Google. So if I were to type in I know this works. Alright, I don't know why it's not working right now. It worked for dogs, so let me do. Oh. That could come in handy for a student who was doing a research paper.